Ultimately, these medicines are for meeting the requirements of common people, and it cannot have come at a better time than this today. Today, on behalf of the government of India, I am honored to formally hand over 5 tons of medicines worth 13.5 million Jamaican dollar, which is Indian price, let me emphasize on this, donated by the government of India to the people and the government of Jamaica. These medicines are essential and critical to Jamaica's response to COVID-19. They could help save many lives in health facilities across the country. Honorable ministers, ladies and gentlemen, we are living in extraordinary times where the best of health and medical facilities that human minds and knowledge have invented and get most of were caught completely off guard, and thousands of lives, including from many developed countries, have fallen victim to this pandemic. On the other hand, these extraordinary times have yet presented to the world community another extraordinary opportunity to collaborate and come together and fight against this boundaryless, classless, raceless, and ethnicless enemy.
The best news I've heard in a very long time is the announcement by Mr. High Commissioner that your country, your government, the people of India have now finalized plans based on that very generous offer that was made some time ago to now ship some 50,000, I believe, doses of the AstraZeneca Serum Institute of India vaccines to Jamaica to be arrived here sometime next week. And I believe that deserves a round of applause. You know, the friendship between both countries have been established. And today's occasion was initially not intended for that announcement, but I can guarantee you that this announcement will trump the other reason why we're here, the primary reason. But it's not an insignificant reason either, because $13 million is nothing to scoff at.